punches and legless. Now we'll show backward punches without the ball. Come on. First, we should take the left leg back and the right leg. Then we should punch the ball to the offside and our head should be under the elbow. Now we'll show down the straight. First, we should take our left leg back and the right leg. Then we should just run the ball to the straight leg. And our head should be under the elbow. Now we'll show on the leg side. First, we should take our left leg back and right leg. And we should turn our waist. Then we should punch the ball to the leg side. And our head should be under the elbow. Now we'll show it with the ball. This was on the offside. This was on the leg side. This was a straight one. Now we'll show leg left. Without the ball. First, we should take our left leg back, then the right leg, and we should turn our waist back and just flick the ball. Now we will show with the ball. This was a perfect one. Thank you friends for watching. Subscribe and click the
bell icon please.